once again to my channel. Today we'll be making this French curve. So I actually got this template I'm using here from a video I will link in my description box. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make yours, because these rulers, these curves are actually very expensive in the market. So all you need to do it is a scissors, a tape, a pen, a razor, a cotton paper, and a template. So you just start off by cutting off. You have to be very careful while doing this, okay, so you don't cut across the lines. So you have to be very careful. I normally cut at the edge of the black lines, as you can see me do. So I first of all remove the excess papers around it to make it easier for me. Okay, so after that I'm just going to use razor to remove this remaining part, as you can see. So I'm going to place it on the floor and gradually I'm going to place it on the table and gradually carve it out. You have to be very slow while doing this. You have to be very careful, because you really need to get this structure just the way it is. So after that, I'm going to place it on the carton paper, and I'm going to use a tape. Okay, I'm going to use a tape to tape it down so it doesn't move when I begin to mark out the shape of this particular French curve. You can add a few tape, and then after doing that I'm going to use my pen now, and I'm going to place, I'll add pressure to the paper just to make sure that it's laying flat on the carton paper. Then I'll trace out the lines. For where the tapes are, I'll gradually remove the tapes and line out that area, after which I will return the tape. So I'm just going to do this all around to get that particular shape. Now is another work. This is quite difficult. I had to do this over and over again. After the first cutting, I did the second cutting. The first one, I did just what I did with the white paper, with the template. So after that, you're going to get your French curve. If you like, you can leave it this way, but I would advise you go ahead and use a tape to secure every part of it, so in case water pours on it, it doesn't get bad. So this is just a quick tutorial on how I use tape to do this. So I place the tape, then I cut it into some pieces so I can easily lay it flat. Okay, as you can see me do, I'm just going to gradually fold the tape across it just like that, and there you have it, your simple, your easy made French curve. So here I tried it out for you guys to see that it's very, very effective. Okay, so